Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by unlocking or turning off the watch so buttons won't trigger. This prevents scratches and accidental taps. Once done, place the watch face down on a soft cloth to protect it and make sure to work in good light. Now locate the two small band release buttons on the back, one near the top, one near the bottom. These are spring-loaded. Pressing them is the first actionable step because that disengages the band from the groove that holds it in place. You press and hold one release button firmly with your fingernail or a thin tool. You do this so the band's locking lug compresses inward. While holding, slide the band piece horizontally out of its metal track. Move smoothly and don't twist, because jamming can bend the lug. Once the first side clears, set it aside and repeat the same press and slide motion on the other side. Make sure to keep the watch steady against the cloth so the delicate connectors stay aligned. You finish by inspecting the lugs and grooves for dirt, debris, or damage. A quick wipe with a microfiber cloth removes grit that prevents seating. To reinstall, align the band with the track and slide it straight in until you hear or feel a click. That confirms it's locked. If a band won't move or latch, make sure you're fully depressing the release button and clean the channel. If that fails, try the other side to rule out a damaged lug before applying more force.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.